Matchbox Mobile is a work-for-hire software company. We specialize in anything mobile. T-Mobile came to us to work on this product called Family Room. They wanted something which was a micro social network, and it would be for T-Mobile customers only, and would have their family branding, and you would know that you were able to share a picture and have a chat in a safe environment. The project itself focuses on Microsoft technologies and Windows technologies, so Windows Azure was the obvious choice. For decades, developers have had to create all these systems up in what we call the cloud, and what Azure gives us is the ability to not have to think about the details of what's inside the cloud. Now it's simply a case of uploading your little application, and then you can manage it through a website. Developers face a time challenge almost always. With Family Room, we had 6 weeks from first hello to getting this app on a particular T-Mobile phone we're releasing with the global launch of Windows Phone 7. With Azure, it's now quicker to do these kinds of tasks which have server requirements because you're not reinventing the wheel every time. Azure allowed us to use the same set of development tools on the client side and on the server side. You could just have it all there and quickly flick from one to the other and actually test things as you went. The fact that we could fire up these Azure instances locally on our own development machines meant that we could experiment and have fun and notice these problems before we made a mistake in public. We absolutely did expect a spike in use of the app, particularly because of everybody using it from day one. We monitored the number of people logging in and signing up. We watched the forums and spoke to the T-Mobile support teams. For us, success was minimum sort of customer problems. And that's what we got, which was great. Using Azure meant that we could stand on the shoulder of giants and actually create the fun application on Windows Phone 7 without having to create the huge infrastructure on the server side to support the experience. I would recommend Azure to developers, particularly if you have a time crunch and if there is a blank slate that you're working from, especially for a smaller company like Matchbox Mobile. Using Azure meant that we could give T-Mobile the confidence in the SLA that Windows Azure gives you to say, listen, we're on solid ground here and we're just going to focus on what we're experts at.